How to trade Forex on Plus500. To trade Forex on Plus500, you first need to understand that all trades on this platform are executed using contracts for difference (CFDs), not by buying actual currencies. You begin by creating an account on Plus500 and logging into the trading platform. Once you're in, you'll find various Forex pairs listed, such as Euro USD, USD JPY, and others. Each pair includes a base currency and a quote currency, and the platform will show you the exchange rate, essentially how much of the quote currency is needed to buy 1 unit of the base currency. To open a trade, you select the Forex pair you're interested in. You then decide whether you believe the base currency will rise or fall against the quote currency. If you expect the base to increase in value, you open a buys or long position. If you think it will decrease, you open a sell or short position. Plus500 offers tools like stop loss, take profit, and guaranteed stop to help manage your trades and limit risk. You can track open positions in real time using charts and market data. Be mindful of leverage and margin as they amplify both gains and losses. You can close trades manually or let your risk tools do it.